there's camels and whatever the hell. There are some girls over there. They're taking pictures without hijab. You're gonna see something like this when you go like 5 kilometers out of the Tehran. You're gonna see the woman, the girls exposing their, I'm not saying they're like in bikinis or half naked in like underwear or swimsuit or whatever. They just don't have head scarves, so they would just take each other's pictures, they take selfies and whatever. These are the only place they could just be by themselves or be real, and they would love that. And the fun fact is they would share these pictures, these non-hijabi types of pictures online on Iranian types of crazy mobile networks like Russian Telegram, which is like insane in Iran. I mean, everyone here in Iran has a Telegram. I have a Telegram. Everyone has a Telegram. Wherever you go, people saying, do you have a Telegram? Do you have a fuck the Telegram? Fuck the Russian, fuck the whoever the fuck is make this fucking piece of shit. Seriously, I hate them. I don't have Telegram, I don't have Facebook, I don't have Twitter, or I don't have any fucking things except the YouTube or basic Google, and that's just for like that's just a mandatory things because you need that. Anyway, never mind. The fun fact is they would share this without headscarves or whatever picture of themselves online. And I mean, you could just look, because it's just public, it's not private network. They could look at their non-hijab girls, and they're not like one or two, they're like hundreds and thousands of girls. They would do that. They would share their you know, non-hijab picture, and it's like a Muharram, and it's supposed to be like a mourning, you know. Gods know, I don't understand this fucking country at all. I mean, some people are mourning. There is a black flag on top of that mosque right there behind this hill, so it tells you to mourn the fucking piece of shit, mourn. But there are some people, this is the reality of the people who are just they're bored. Look at that flag. It's a mosque, and I'm guessing this is the only mosque, and it's a new one. I don't expect people here to would actually give a damn about Muharram or whatever, because they're most likely the rich people. But anyway, who knows, who cares, gods know. So I was there, and what the fuck, so I was just there, and I was just on top of the hill, and I saw girls are just on ATV kind of a, people calling it types of motorcycle, which is not the motorcycle, it's just a vehicle. Anyway, but they're just racing each other on the actual road with the ATV and no hijab, and it's just crazy. I mean, there's no cops there, no one is there to stop them, and average Iranian don't bother to just face these types of things. But in Islamic countries, any other Islamic countries, you're not gonna see something like that. I mean, if it's something is offensive by the Islamic law, by the nature of the culture of that country is people actually go bold, go bananas, and they would say, what the hell is going on, what are you doing here, and what is happening, and they would face and they would react to that nature of the lawlessness of the situation. But here in Iran, people actually don't give a damn about any laws, any types of laws. Not just Islamic law, any types of laws. I haven't seen anyone. So never mind. Nevertheless, this is how countries works. So you see this woman here. She's like a Muslim with the traditional types of hijab, which is the shadur or chador, but the rest of the nature is just growing up on new types of hijab, which is types of uniform, is a short uniform, is types of it's gonna look like a long one-piece shirt, one-piece dress, sorry, but without showing off your chest, cleavage, or anything like that. Anyway, never mind. Don't want to go to the details. I just saw that and I just want to go on point on that things and saying you, if you're leave the nature of the downtown Tehran, you're gonna see some interesting weird stuff. Anyway, and this is interesting, the ATV on the actual road. Look at this guy's mustache.